Hi, my name is Keith Wilson and I'm the head of brand marketing at Frontier. Frontier is on a mission to provide the most comprehensive and data-rich material cloud in the industry through connecting the virtual and the physical textile supply chains. Currently, Frontier is the largest online material database in the world, containing tens of thousands of textiles. Over 500 textile mills, suppliers, OEMs, and brands are already contributing to the platform. This tool accelerates virtual prototyping, visualization, and merchandising, while also benefiting material sourcing, processes, and PLM data points. The result of which provides faster lead times and enhances efficiency between name brands and their suppliers. Today's keynote is how to leverage innovative materials and data from your suppliers through a collaborative textile database. Material textile development is complex. Although every company, developer, and individual brief is unique, the most common resources of the material developer trade include company or internal material library and reaching out to common suppliers. Regardless of the resources, a major problem that prolongs development and time to market is the urgent need to complete data about a material in order to qualify it as a fit for a particular design. Historically, price and performance was king. Now, each requirement of a material brief is complex and is a constantly moving target. Material prices fluctuate from season to season as natural or synthetic market commodity prices change. Performance testing results are always riddled with problems on the database. Who tested the material? What material was tested? When and where was the material tested? Is the lab a trusted institution? What key tests and corollary tests should be performed for quality and performance metrics? There's also the questions of what standard was used. Was it AAA, TCC, GIS, EN, etc.? If it wasn't tested according to the standard of the company, what is the correlation or conversion between results of other countries like JIS and GB? Is the data even usable or reliable? Adding on to performance tests are the complexities of chemical management. This requirement is typically addressed through adoptions of simple umbrella RSLs like Aerocotex, Bluesign, ZDHC, or other restricted substance lists that are used internally. Each additional requirement adds cost in testing and time in vetting every single material used by a name brand. Lastly, sustainable sourcing requirements. These are typically broken into two different classifications. Number one is material ethics. This is validated through audits and certification compliance of standards set by organizations like Textile Exchange and/or through self-evaluation programs like the Higg Index. The second is labor ethics. This is usually provided by RAP, BSCI, or other internal standards that validate no slave or child labor, among a myriad of other issues, was used in the development of the material. All these requirements and others are difficult to track with precision, especially with maintaining production timelines, multiple simultaneous developments, and other difficult complexities. Brand names around the world spend billions of dollars on PLMs, virtual design and visualization tools which enhance each process. However, the virtual world is only a simulation of a digital design, and PLM systems come with no preloaded information. Virtual designs like CLO are enhanced with actual textile data entered into them, like stretch and drape. And each tool of the virtual supply chain must work seamlessly in order to meet the ultimate objective to sell product. Today we wanted to address the topics of connecting virtual ideas with physical materials through a searchable material database. Number two is compatibility between these different types of applications throughout the virtual supply chain. And third of all, supply chain deployment. First off is the virtual and physical supply chain. An average small company is estimated to use 500 materials and 100 styles from 20 suppliers, while they have over 100 suppliers with 20,000 materials in their material library. Even the favorite 20 suppliers are not being optimized. The world is obviously full of thousands of textile suppliers and millions of variations of quality and qualities of textiles. The Frontier platform harnesses your criteria to be optimized for function, fashion, and faster access to these materials. Searchers can start with simple queries for inspiration of a designer for color, pattern, or other keywords, and can be fine-tuned with performance, AI hashtags, and textile specifications. But this is only the beginning. Through expansion of the platform, growth through collaborative clouds, and adding on additional criterion of chemical management and sustainable sourcing options will over time enhance the efficiency and usability of the platform. How is this done? I mentioned that there is a physical material library in every name brand, in every headquarters of every brand name. The Frontier platform was designed for simple data upload from brand names, mills, and other sources to simply and quickly out-digitize their material libraries. Frontier also works closely with world-class mills in hosting and optimizing their entire warehouse of materials. AI also adds on to the efficient upload of any material provided using AI to extract specifications on the header, identify patterns, and extract test result data off of a PDF report. Digital photographs of textile are also added without the need for additional costly hardware. Future developments will also allow side-by-side material comparisons, standard comparison materials testing data to make any testing data more usable, and third of all, standardization of textile terms through the platform, among many other exciting enhanced functions as the platform continues to roll out.